CeraVe or La Roche-Posay. If you've ever stood in the skincare aisle at Target and stared at these two for longer than you'd like to admit, this video is for you. I'm Priscila, and as a handmade skincare artisan, reading ingredient lists is genuinely part of my job. Today, we're looking past the marketing to see what's actually inside. And then I'll show you a simple natural version you can make at home. CeraVe was born in the United States, focused on barrier repair. La Roche-Posay is a French pharmacy classic. Fun fact, they're both owned by L'Oreal. It's just two different philosophies from the same parent. Both use ceramides to lock in moisture, but LRP adds prebiotics to feed your skin's healthy ecosystem. Yes, I'm telling you, your moisturizer contains bacteria food. Welcome to the party. The verdict? For dry skin or the best values, CeraVe is your best friend. For sensitive skin or that effortlessly put together French aesthetic, La Roche-Posay is the winner. But what if you want something purely botanical? Let's head to the workbench and make a natural moisturizer that works on these exact same principles with just 4 ingredients. Step 1. Soften 2 tablespoons of raw shea butter. We just want it workable, don't melt it, or we lose that creamy texture we love. Step 2. Add 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. This is actually a liquid wax, and it's the closest thing in nature to your skin's own oils. It's a mirror for your sebum. Step 3, whisk in 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel. You'll need to be vigorous here to get them to emulsify, but keep going until it's smooth and dreamy. Step 4, add 5 drops of vitamin E oil for antioxidant protection. If you want a calming scent, add 3 drops of lavender now. Step 5, transfer to a clean glass jar and store it in the fridge. Since we're not using synthetic preservatives, use it up within 2 weeks. A little goes a long way. So, are you Team CeraVe, Team LRP, or Team Make Your Own? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.